Learn English by talking.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English by Talking. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. Sarah, did you get my text this morning?
Yes, I got it right when I woke up.
Perfect. Wait, did you notice something we just did?
What do you mean?
We used a really common word twice without even thinking about it.
Oh, get.
Exactly. Did you get my text? I got it. We say it all the time.
You're right. Get a message, get home, get tired, get excited.
It's everywhere. And the funny thing is, we don't even realize how much we use it.
So today, we're talking about one tiny word, just 3 letters, G-E-T.
But trust me, this word is huge in everyday English.
You get messages, you get tired, you get home, you get it, or sometimes you don't get it.
Exactly. And here's the good news. It's actually really simple.
Before we dive in, if you're enjoying Learn English by Talking, please subscribe and hit that like button.
It helps us keep making these lessons for you.
All right, let's learn how to use get in real, everyday English.
Step by step. Nice and easy.
Okay, Mike, I hear get everywhere, but what does it actually mean?
Great question. At the most basic level, get usually means 3 things.
Just 3?
Yep. Receive, have, or become.
Receive, have, or become. That's actually manageable.
Right? Let's break them down. First, receive.
So when something comes to you?
Exactly. Like, I get a lot of emails every day.
Or I get messages from my friends.
Perfect. We don't usually say, I receive messages in casual conversation.
That sounds too formal.
Right. I get messages sounds natural and friendly.
Okay, so get equals receive. What's the second meaning?
The second one is have, as in to possess or obtain something.
Give me an example.
I get more free time on weekends.
Or I get a chance to relax.
Exactly. It's about having something.
And the third meaning?
Become. This one is super common, especially with feelings and changes.
Oh, like I get tired?
Perfect example. It means I become tired.
Or I get hungry before dinner.
Yes, I get cold at night. I get nervous before presentations.
These are all about changing into a new state.
Exactly. From not tired to tired. From not hungry to hungry.
So get is about changes and feelings?
A lot of the time, yes. English speakers love using get for emotions.
I get happy when I see my friends.
I get excited about new projects.
I get frustrated in traffic.
See, you're getting it already. I get it. So 3 basic meanings: receive, have, and become.
That's the foundation. Everything else builds from there. Let's go deeper into the first meaning, receive.
This is probably the most common way you use get every single day.
Like when you get a package or get a phone call?
Exactly. Did you get my email?
Yes, I got it this morning.
See how natural that sounds? Much better than did you receive my email?
Way too formal for everyday conversation.
You can also say I get a lot of spam emails.
Or I get calls from my mom every Sunday.
I get gifts on my birthday.
Oh, I love getting gifts.
Who doesn't? So whenever something comes to you, a message, call, email, package, gift, get is your word.
Let me practice. I get notifications all day long.
Perfect. I got your letter yesterday.
Did you get my invitation?
Great. You're using it naturally already.
This is easier than I thought.
That's because get is an everyday word. It's meant to be easy.
All right, now let's talk about get meaning become.
This one is really important for expressing feelings and changes.
Okay, give me examples.
I get tired after work.
That means you become tired.
Exactly. You weren't tired before, but after work, you become tired.
I get sleepy around 10 p.m.
Perfect. I get cold when it rains.
I get hungry really fast.
Yes, all of these are about your body or feelings changing.
What about emotions? Can we use it for those too?
Absolutely. I get happy when I listen to music.
I get nervous before exams.
I get angry when people are rude.
I get excited about vacations.
See, get plus an adjective equals becoming that thing.
Get tired, get happy, get frustrated, get motivated.
You got it. And this pattern is everywhere in English.
especially when talking about how we feel.
Exactly. It's much more natural than saying, I become angry or I become tired.
Those sound so stiff.
Right. Get is casual, friendly, and very everyday English.
Let me try a few. I get stressed when I'm busy.
Good. I get relaxed when I take a bath.
I got confused during the meeting.
Perfect. You even used past tense. Got.
Oh yeah, get becomes got in the past.
Exactly. We'll talk more about that later.
Sarah, there's another super common use of get we need to talk about.
What's that?
Get meaning arrive, moving from one place to another.
Oh, like I get home at 6?
Perfect example. That's much more natural than I arrive home at 6.
Nobody says arrive home in casual conversation.
Exactly. We say get home, get to work, get to school.
What time do you usually get home, Mike?
I get home around 7, but sometimes traffic makes me late.
I get to work at 9 every morning.
You can use get to with any place. I get to the gym, I get to the party.
I got to the airport just in time.
Great use of past tense. Got to means you arrived.
Can I use it with there, too?
Absolutely. What time will you get there?
I'll get there around 8.
Perfect. So anytime you're talking about reaching a place, just use get.
It's so much easier than trying to remember when to use arrive.
That's why native speakers love it. Simple, casual, natural.
Let me practice. I get to the office early, or I get to the coffee shop late.
Excellent. You can even add specific times. I get home at 6:30.
I got to the party at midnight.
Perfect. Now you sound like a real English speaker.
Mike, there's one more meaning I really want to talk about.
Which one?
Get meaning understand.
Oh, yes. This one is so casual and friendly.
Like, do you get it?
Exactly. It means, do you understand?
I use this all the time. Oh, I get it now.
Much more natural than saying, I understand every time.
Especially with friends or in casual situations.
Right. I get what you mean.
I get why you're upset.
I don't get this math problem.
That's perfect. So when something makes sense or doesn't make sense, we use get.
And you can show empathy with it too.
How?
I get it. That must be hard.
Oh, I get why you feel that way.
I totally get it.
These sound so warm and understanding.
That's the beauty of get. It's not just about grammar. It's about connecting with people.
I love that. So get it is casual. Understand is formal?
Pretty much. Save understand for essays in formal situations.
Got it. I mean, I get it.
Perfect.
All right, Mike. Now that we know the main meanings, let's look at some common phrases.
Yes, these are super useful and you'll hear them constantly.
First one, get up.
This means wake up or leave your bed.
I get up at 7 every morning.
I don't want to get up on Mondays.
So relatable. Next, get back.
This means return somewhere.
I get back home around 6.
I'll get back to you later, meaning I'll respond later.
Oh, that's a common one in emails.
Exactly. Let me check and get back to you.
Next phrase, get ready.
This means prepare.
I need to get ready for the party.
How long does it take you to get ready in the morning?
For me, about 30 minutes. What about you?
Maybe 15 minutes. I'm quick.
Lucky. Next, get better.
This means improve or feel well again.
I hope you get better soon if someone is sick.
Or, I'm getting better at English every day.
I love that one. It's so motivating.
One more important one. Get along.
This means have a good relationship with someone.
I get along with my coworkers.
Do you get along with your neighbors?
We get along really well.
These phrases are gold. Let's practice them in a mini conversation.
Good idea. I'll start. Hey, Sarah, what time did you get up today?
I got up at 6:30. I needed to get ready early.
Did you get to work on time?
Yes, I got there just before 9.
Nice. Are you getting along with your new team?
Yeah, I get along with everyone. They're great.
See how natural that sounded?
All because of get.
Sarah, let's talk about some common mistakes with get.
Oh, yes, this is important.
First mistake, using get in the past when you need got.
Right, not I get a message yesterday.
Correct. It should be I got a message yesterday.
So present is get, past is got.
Exactly. I get emails every day, but I got an email this morning.
What's the second mistake?
Overusing get in formal writing.
Ah, so it's mainly for speaking.
Mostly, yes. In essays or formal emails, use more specific words.
Like receive instead of get?
Exactly. Obtain, arrive, become. These work better in formal contexts.
So casual conversation, get. Formal writing, more specific verbs.
You got it. Third mistake, not learning the fixed phrases.
What do you mean?
Some phrases with get are fixed. You can't change them.
Like get up, you can't say get awake.
Exactly. Or get along, not get friendly with.
So we need to learn the phrases as whole units.
Yes, that's why practice and repetition are so important.
Any other tips?
Pay attention to context. Get can mean many things, so the situation tells you which meaning.
So if someone says, I got it, it could mean I received it or I understand it.
Exactly. Context makes it clear.
These tips are really helpful.
Remember them, and you'll sound natural every time.
All right, everyone, now it's your turn to practice.
We've learned so much about get today,
Let's review the main phrases one more time.
and you can repeat after us.
First, get up. Repeat, I get up at 7.
Get back. Repeat. I get back home at 6.
Get ready. Repeat, I need to get ready.
Get better. Repeat. I'm getting better at English.
Get along. Repeat, I get along with my friends.
Excellent. Now let's ask you a question.
What time do you usually get up in the morning?
Write your answer in the comments. I get up at...
We really want to hear from you.
And here's another. What makes you get happy?
For me, I get happy when I drink good coffee.
I get happy when I finish a good workout.
Comment below. I get happy when?
This is great practice, and there's no pressure.
Just have fun with it.
Well, Sarah, we've covered a lot today.
We really have. One small word, so many uses.
But it's not as hard as it seems, right?
Not at all. Receive, have, become, arrive, understand.
And all those useful phrases, get up, get back, get ready, get better, get along.
The more you use get, the more natural it becomes.
Exactly. Don't try to remember everything at once.
Just practice a little every day and you'll get better.
See what you did there?
Ha! Get better. I'm using it naturally now.
That's the point. It becomes automatic.
So everyone watching, don't be afraid to make mistakes.
That's how you get better, by trying.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to Learn English by Talking.
Hit that like button and share this with friends who are learning English.
And don't forget to comment. Tell us one thing you get every day.
We love reading your comments and seeing you practice.
All right, that's it for today.
Thanks for learning with us.
Keep practicing, keep getting better, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
See you soon.